Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello viewers, welcome back to PostgreSQL video tutorial. In this video, we are going to select first row from each group by group. First we will explain the scenario, then construct the query and finally execute the query in pgadmin. Let's start with the scenario. We have a dataset containing thousands of transactions. For a specific customer ID, there are possibilities of multiple transactions. In this first set, we have considered only the transactions for the customer ID 1 and ordered them by amount. This first row contains the highest transaction amount associated with customer ID 1. Similar to this, our second dataset is grouped only for the customer ID 2. The first row contains the highest transaction amount associated with customer ID 2. Now we want to construct a query that will select only each of the first row of each individual group. Suppose for ID 1, it will select the row with the highest transaction amount. Similar to this, for ID 5, it will select the row with the highest transaction amount. Now in the next section, we will choose the method to solve this problem. To solve our problem, we use common table expressions. It generates a temporary result set that we can reference within another SQL statement. This first section contains the syntax of the CTE. First, we have to specify the name of the CTE following an optional column list. Then, inside the body of the with clause, we have to specify the query that returns a result set. And finally, we use this CTE-like table or view in the statement, which can be a select, insert, update or delete. The solution of our problem is arranged in this section. First, we have created a CTE with the name PayFirst. It contains all the data from payment table. We have also ordered descendingly the data by amount for each customer ID and ranked them. So rank 1 will be the first rows for all the groups. Finally, the select statement will return the first row from each group. Now we are going to pgadmin and execute this query. For our demonstration, we will use payment table of DVD rental database. Let's open the query tool. Now start with the select statement that retrieves data from payment table. It returns 14,596 rows. For a customer ID, we have multiple transactions. Let's check all the transactions for the customer ID 1. So we have to write where customer ID equals 1. So it returns total 30 rows. Now we are going to order this descendingly for this amount column. Order by amount descending. This first row contains the highest transaction amount for customer ID 1. Now we concentrate on our solution. This PayFirst CTE generates a temporary table for payment table. It will also add a new column for the row numbers ordered by amount descendingly for customer IDs. So the first row number will be for the highest transaction for a specific customer. Finally, this select statement will return all the rows for the rank 1. So it will return our desired out that display all the first rows from all the groups. Let's execute this. This 9.99 is the highest transaction amount for customer ID 1. Similar to this, row with high transaction amount for customer ID 9 is 7.99. So we have successfully returned the first rows from all the groups. So that's all for today.